Peace, family. All right, so today I'm showing you where I am. I'm actually in Malaysia, and so I'm out here and I'm taking a vacation. Very beautiful and very nice out here. Staying at a very, very nice hotel. As you may hear some sounds, and that sounds actually construction that's going on next door. I'm in a very nice hotel, and they're building the same type of hotel next to this hotel. But this is the importance of having good credit. You're able to take free flights, get bonus mileage, and do all kind of things with good credit. You can get this too. You can get all of this by just having good credit. All right. So I just want to show you this. I'm on vacation, but I'm still helping you all. For those of you who may need help, contact me. Feel free. I'm here to help you. I want you to get the same thing. You to be able to have the same type of luxuries and everything that you see here. I'm out here in Malaysia, and I'll also be in Thailand for a week, but I'm still answering email. I won't be able to answer your phone calls, but I will call you back if you want me to talk to you to help you repair your credit and get good credit, and so you can be able to experience this too. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at any time. Peace.